Alright, so we're going to cut out the JS logo, and basically we're going to pull it from wikimedia.org, and we're going to pipe it into this SVG mill. We're going to give it a scale of 0.1 so it'll fit on the machine, and we're going to cut down 1 millimeter. Then we're going to pipe all of that, or the resulting G-code actually, into Gerbil, and it's going to stream it across over here to this stack of electronics. And it's going to come over here and cut into this piece of wood. So let's see this thing either work or not work. So now it's fetched it. I guess I need to clamp it down a little bit better. I'll try that again in a second. Okay, let's try this again. This time I'm going to use cardboard. As just a test, and I've got it kind of set up so that it's about 0.2 millimeters away from the cardboard. That way it will clear when it goes over it to find like the initial cuts and all that stuff. So same process as before, but hopefully this time it won't come off. So there we go. It's got the thing. Not hitting. There's a bit of a slope on that platform. Okay, so that didn't work out so well. Let's go down another millimeter, which would be right here where I give it a cut Z. Change that to 2 and run it again. There we go. Now we're going to cut all the way through. Maybe not all the way through, but we're going to get cuts all the way through the job. Alright, so apparently the bit width is a little too big, so it doesn't doesn't want to go all the way in, but that would be a JS logo. We'll try this again in a second. Okay, so we have a new piece of cardboard in there, holding it down with masking tape. And I have decreased the tool width offset to the actual bit radius. And so we're going to run this again. Actually, first we have to plug it in. So I'm going to run this again now that it's ready to go. Oh yeah, far more pronounced now. There it is. JS. Alright. JavaScript logo milled on a mini CNC machine. Toolpath generated by JavaScript. How about that?